for the week of October 13th through the 19th. So there were quite a few good deals at CVS. I didn't get to do as many as I wanted to because I didn't get the CRTs that I needed and I was kind of rushing around yesterday on Sunday. So I'm probably gonna do a second haul to see what other deals I can take advantage of. The Nivea for one, definitely wanna take advantage of that deal because it's a really hot moneymaker. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you've already been a subscriber, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching. So let's get started on the deals. First deal I wanted to do is on the U by Kotex. So these are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So the security liners are the cheapest product you can buy. There are 16 count, so they're $1.79 at my store. So the second one is going to be 90 cents. You're gonna use two dollar off one coupons. One is digital, one you're gonna get from the 1013 smart stores. You're gonna pay just 53 cents for both of these or 26 cents each, which is awesome. If you have a 2 off 2 CRT or any U by Kotex CRT, make sure you guys pair that up and that would make it a freebie for you. The next deal is on, let's do the makeup deal. So I combined the Revlon deal and the Maybelline deal because I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. So for the Revlon deal, they're on sale, buy one, get one half off. So I picked up 2 of the Photo Ready Candid. So they're more expensive, so it doesn't make it a freebie. If they're $9.99 at your store, it does make it a freebie. Anyhow, you're gonna pick up 2 of them. One is gonna be $10.29, one is gonna be $5.14. You're gonna use 2 of the $5 off one Revlon face product that we got from the 10.6 smart stores. Then you're gonna use the $5 Revlon CRT that printed for everyone this week at the red box. Then your final out of pocket is gonna be just 43 cents for both of these, which is awesome. I've heard a lot of good things about this. I didn't know what shade I was and I was kind of rushing around, so I just got 2 shades. Hopefully at least one of them matches, so we'll see. So I paired that with this deal. So for the Maybelline, they are on sale. And the deal is buy 2, get a $5 extra back. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the eyeshadows. They are $3.99 each. I used a $3 off Maybelline CRT. Shh. Sorry, the dogs are playing right here, of course. So paid $4.98, got back a $5 extra buck, makes them absolutely free. But when I paired them with the Revlon, I did them both in the same transaction. I used a $3 off $12 cosmetic CRT. So I wound up paying $2.41 out of pocket, but I got back that $5 extra buck, so it made them a moneymaker of $2.59. So that was a really hot deal for some makeup. You could also have paired in the Rimmel. It's a good deal because we have those $2 Rimmel coupons as well still. So the next deal is on the Irish Spring. So Irish Spring you can get on sale at Walgreens or CVS. So I did them at both stores. So you'll see my Walgreens haul tomorrow. There's a couple more items that I want to get. I do shop a few different accounts, so I want to make sure that I can stock up because the Irish Spring and the Softsoap deals are really, really hot this week. So the deal is buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and it is a limit of 4. So you can do this 4 different times, and you can do it in the same transaction. You do not have to split this up. So they're on sale 2 for $8, so I just picked up 2 of the Irish Spring. You're gonna use 2 of the 75-cent off one coupons that you can print off from the website. The website is just irishspring.com. Go up to the top for Save Now, and then you can print off that coupon. If you've already printed it, you're not gonna be able to reprint it. I still had 2 left from when I had printed it a couple weeks ago, so I still got to use those. You're gonna pay $6.50, get back a $3 extra buck, makes them just $1.75 each. Now, Walgreens has this deal. It's a better deal to do it at Walgreens. You would buy 1 Irish Spring and 1 Softsoap, because they have a $1 digital coupon for the Irish Spring and a 75-cent digital coupon for the Softsoap. So if you're not able to print the coupons from the website, Walgreens is gonna be a better deal, and you still wanna take advantage of this, you would pick up one of each. So I'll go over that tomorrow in my Walgreens haul. Another deal that Walgreens is doing that's a better deal than CVS, it's actually an unadvertised deal. So Mitchum deodorant is on sale for $2.99 at CVS. You're gonna use a $2 coupon from the 1013 Smart Source, makes them just 99 cents each. Now at Walgreens, it's the same deal, but buy two, get 1,000 points, which is the equivalent of $1. So it makes them just 49 cents each. So again, I would recommend doing it if you do have an insert coupon. I would do it at Walgreens because Walgreens has one digital. So you can use one digital, one insert coupon, and you'll be paying $1 less. So, excuse me, keep that in mind. The next deal is going to be the P&G deal. It was spend 20 and get a $5 extra buck. So what I did was the Pantene again. They're on sale 3 for $12. Went ahead and picked these up. Then I picked up a Bounty 2 equals 3 rolls paper towels. They're $4.99. Then pick up the Tide Pods that are $4.99. I like to get the 3-in-1 because there's 16 pods. If you get the Tide with Downy, there's only, I believe, 12 pods. So it gives you an extra 4 pods. So that's why I pick up that one. So deal on that, you're gonna use a $2 digital for the Tide Pods. You're gonna use a $1 digital for the Bounty Essentials. Then you're gonna use a $5 off 3 coupon for the Pantene. So you're going to spend, all these together winds up being 12 and 10 is $21, $22. So it goes over a little bit, but I wanted to vary it up because I needed some more Tide Pods and I needed some more paper towel. So I don't have the final calculations. You'll see them all right here to my left. So it winds up being a really good deal. It's not bad because you're splitting up the cost between these 5 items. So it makes it a pretty decent deal. And I am gonna do the Nivea deal. It's buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, I believe. So I'll be posting that whenever I get around to it. Hopefully I'll be able to stop by CVS tomorrow. I'll be posting my Walgreens haul tomorrow. And then if I do an additional CVS haul, I will try to post that for you guys later in the week. So if you have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment, let me know. I did all of this in one transaction. I did not do multiple transactions because I wasn't doing deals multiple times or anything like that, and I didn't need to use the extra bucks from this deal. Usually when I split it up into 2 different transactions is when I have, instead of doing one big transaction, I'll split it into 2 so I can use the extra bucks from my first transaction to help pay down the out-of-pocket for my second transaction. But I did have a $6 off of 30 CRT. It actually wound up being in my app, so it wasn't, I don't know, like it was a CRT, but usually I get that one at the Red Box. But I've been getting some different coupons actually throughout the week on CVS on my app. So make sure you guys check that. I got a $10 off 50 oral hygiene. I got a $10 off 50 for skincare and stuff as well. So I didn't put together a deal for that yet. There weren't many good oral hygiene and deodorant deals to make it worthwhile with the other CRTs that I had. So I'll double check if there is a good deal. I'll make sure I post it for you guys. Other than that, I will see you guys next time.